Now that we are aligned with the process, let me break down each marketing channel in this video. Welcome back. My name is Vinay from Chinni Realty Group, powered by Real Broker. Before we do that, I wanted to quickly recap the previous video. In the previous video, we talked about the buyer universe and the 4 categories, and then we went through the process of how we find active buyers that we don't know. If you need a detailed explanation, please go ahead and watch the previous video. The link should be somewhere on this page. As you might be aware, buyers come from everywhere. So it's our job to leave no stone unturned. That's why we utilize an integrated market approach. Let me walk you through it. According to NAR, here's how buyers typically find a home. And as you can see, there's so many different ways. That's why you want a marketing that is traditional, tried and true, and digital and social, and all of them integrated. Here are some examples of how we reach out to broker networks via texts, emails, yard site, Facebook, YouTube, email marketing, open houses, etc. Marketing is not a 32-point checklist. Cookie cutter marketing will give you cookie cutter results. That's why we prefer a systems-based approach and not a checklist-based approach. We call this a systematic approach. You're not just hiring us, you're hiring a track record confident in all the systems we've built over the years. And let me show you. For example, our proprietary open house system, here's all the items that get triggered. Selecting an open house date, updating MLS, creating QR codes to capture buyer information, creating email template about the open house with QR code, designing a postcard for the neighbors, mail the postcard about the open house to neighbors, create flyers for guests, add open house posts to various sites like Craigslist, Facebook, Marketplace, etc. Call 25 agents who have sold properties recently in the area and let them know about the open house. This is our listing launch system. You get the idea. This approach is what sets us apart from the average agents and the old school brokers. We take the best of the tried and true and combine it with what is working right now in a stacked approach. A lot of the times, you have a single channel approach. Single channel approach is where the average agent will want to get it onto the market as soon as possible in the MLS. They just sit back and see if they can get any offers. They just don't want to do any work. They just think that the MLS will do all the marketing for them. The MLS is their only marketing strategy. We have some other agents who are a little bit better, where everything's about agent-focused marketing. The house is about the agent, the listing is about the agent, the sign is about the agent, the social media post is about the agent. It's agent-driven marketing. And by the way, I totally appreciate this because I use your house as a pawn to get myself better branded. It's about the agent-driven marketing. And it kind of works because there's a lot of agent-to-agent relationships. We call all of this, of course, marketing. Of course, we put the listing on the MLS. Of course, we have agent-branded marketing. Of course, we have agent-branded relationships. But what actually gets us results is our systems-based approach. We've got to get on the local MLS, we've got to get on the agent-branded marketing, and we've got to get all our systems stacked on top of it. And that's how we win. If everything we discussed was setting up the party, then the list price is the invitation. It's my job to protect your equity and maximize your net proceeds. And that is why pricing is about positioning, and the list price is just an invitation. And we'll discuss more about it in the next video.